Hey YouTube, welcome to this brief tutorial on how to change your taillights on your Chrysler Pacifica. First of all, you need to know which kind of bulbs. You got the 2825 on these inside lights, and you got the 7443 on the outside lights. All right, very simple in terms of how you access these. Let's go ahead and do it right now. I've already replaced one, so now we're just gonna get straight to the other. All you really need for this job is a normal flathead screwdriver, okay? You're gonna come up to this access panel. You're gonna use your screwdriver and gently try to work it into, I don't know if that was gently, YouTube. All right, so once you get kind of the corner, just pull down. What you're looking for here on the inside tail light is this top one, unless your reverse light is out, which is this bottom one here. Top one, it's gonna be a counterclockwise twist. So get a firm grip on the light. There's actually a little tab there. Should have had my Wheaties today, man. I should have had my Wheaties. Okay, sorry, I'll stop complaining now. There we go. Once you counterclockwise that shenanigan out of there, you just pull it straight out. Be careful not to break it, right? There we go. Boom. Okay, as far as this one goes, I had to do this last fall. I have a 2017. Couple star sockets there. For that tail light, you're looking at a T27. 27, y'all. You take those two out and you just pull this straight back. And it's a similar process right inside there. Again, that one's gonna be the 7443. I'm gonna do this 2825 right now and button this right up. Because when one fails, you know the other one's like not too far behind, right? That's kind of like how it goes. And maybe some people would be like, you should be wearing gloves because like the grease will, you know, diminish the life of the bulb. That's probably true, but I'm not Scotty Kilmer. Sorry guys. I'm just amateur Andrew. So I guess that's what we're working with today. Sorted. Nice. Take care guys. God bless.